Um, the number one loop is it used like to show on the project. It will show you all terms, and the number two function is opted to make turn on O or X. So it's a video on my the project.
What's happening?
Yeah, the first is X turn, and we write like A1, A2, A3, and it will print on it. And on turn that we write something that's it will print on it. And and oh no. Now X win.
It's in the top right corner.
This one? No. This one?
In the top. No. On the right, on the other side of the screen. It says it's a button called slideshow.
Slideshow.
Other side of the screen.
Other side. This one?
No. On the other side, you were on this side of the screen. Move all the way to the other side. You see that button up there at the top? Near the top.
This one?
No. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You see the keep going. See the button called slideshow?
Oh. Okay.
There you go. That was the empty slide. Just go to the next one. I forgot to take that one out.
My favorite part is was the scene board. I think the board is very fun. So my favorite part is that. So I want to add on my project is gave a player ability to take over
Occupy
squares, and the number two is to play on a big board. And the number three is longer when
sequence.
I think is going to be 5 to win. Thank you.